In a peaceful corner of the universe where forests were lush and the sky always wore a shade of magical blue, lived Hulk, the strongest superhero known for his mighty roars and leaps that could break mountains. But today, Hulk was not roaring, he was whistling, a soft tune imitative of a gentle breeze. By his side was Betty, his beloved wife, known for her wisdom and unbreakable bond with Hulk. Despite Hulk's immense strength and Betty's extraordinary intellect, they both had a weakness, a love for adventure. One bright morning, they discovered an ancient map tucked in the pages of an old book that whispered tales of a mysterious realm beyond the known lands, a place said to be guarded by mystical creatures with the power to alter reality. Betty's eyes gleamed with interest as she unfolded the map, and Hulk couldn't hide his excitement for a new challenge. With a nod, they decided to embark on this enigmatic journey. Their journey began at the edge of the Forever Forest, a place teeming with vibrant colors and friendly creatures. But as they ventured deeper, the forest grew increasingly perplexing. Trees began to whisper secrets of ages past, and the paths seemed to change underfoot. Betty clutched the map tightly. They were navigating a maze of enchantments. Suddenly, a voice boomed from above, halting them in their tracks. To find the heart of the realm, you must solve the riddle of the forgotten time, it echoed. The voice belonged to an enormous phoenix that perched gracefully above them. Betty, unflustered, pondered the riddle while Hulk, geared up in his mighty stance, stood protectively by her side. The solution required a gentle approach, and Betty's wisdom shone as she calmly answered the riddle. The realm unfolded its heart, leading them to a portal shimmering with the colors of dusk. As they stepped through, they arrived in Mystique Valley, a place of surreal beauty where the laws of physics danced and swirled like stardust. Their voyage had not only led them to a wondrous land, but also to the magic within their bond. Hulk had found new resilience and patience, and Betty discovered courage in action. Their love, combined with adventure, was the real treasure they found in the end. With hearts full of joy, they returned home, tales of mystery brimming in their minds, ready for the next big adventure, side by side.